about lost that bottle. 1 second. It's not doing very good. This is kind of actually dog shit. Look, it looks like brand new. Watch it just dry up and then stop, not look brand new anymore.
The darkest one I find.
Oh, what was it? No, go put that back. I done fuck this one up, so. It looks good. Using cloth this time, yeah. But this is actual cleaner that I bought. I don't know. I mean, does it look good to y'all? It looks really a lot better on camera than it does in real life. I can guarantee you that. But does that look way better? Wait for it to dry. Because I promise you when it dries, it's not going to look the same. Nice. Yeah. It was turning my fucking towel black. I got 2 bottles of this shit because I figured it wouldn't work. And that's what it looks like. Yes, I know exactly what you're thinking. And yes, I don't fucking know why. Oh, no, what the fuck? I screenshotted that, big dog. No, I screenshotted that. Y'all are caught. Y'all are cooked. Both you and fucking Weston. You and Weston are fucking done, brother. You and Weston are fucking cooked. Saying that shit looks good. Oh, no. Queers. Oh, no. Big dog said that looked good. And fucking Weston. No, y'all cooked as fuck. It's only $7, so I can't expect much out of it. Oh, nothing, big dog. You'll find out tomorrow or sometime later this day on a post. You're cooked, brother. You're cooked. You're cooked. You're roasts. You are rotisserie, my dude. Wait, what? Well, I tell you about busting on random shit. Well played. Gotta give it to you. Big dog. You ain't gotta give shit to me. I find it all naturally. Because I'm a natural born badass. Fuck me. I don't know. It's just not looking for a way it looked like you on how. 1 second. Oh fuck it. Guys, look at the new stuff that fixes it. Look. Oh. That's the new cleaning stuff. It fixes the plastic. It's supposed to make it look black again. It's supposed to make it look black again. What's wrong? You're acting weird. First the horseshoe. Oh, not the horseshoe, but the horse conditioner. The saddle conditioner. Now this shit. Pretty more babies on my screen. Oh. Steven, God have mercy on your soul. It was only $7 for this shit, so I'm not expecting much out of it. It's not doing much anything. Hi, Rafe. Hey, Rafe. I don't know if it's doing anything. Hello, new guy. Be ready to be fucking traumatized.